Hello everyone. Today we come to Sinotruk stock to take a look at the Hover new face dump truck. Here you can see this is order about 10 unit Hover new face dump truck. Here you can see. So this kind of new face dump truck win a lot of customer in Africa. Let's look at the details. Here you can see this new face is different from the old model Hover face. It is a new design. And the inside cabin, it is also different from the old model. It is much comfortable for the driver to drive. The engine is the same as before. 371. This is the hydraulic fuel tank. Here you can see the axle is also same as the Hover. The bucket, it is also 20 cubic meters, which can load 40 tons is okay. This kind of bucket is the best popular for export. And this is a water tank for the brake system to lower the temperature. Here has an instruction how to operate. So if you need this kind of new face Hover dump truck, please contact us. It's okay. Here you can see there are so many, about 10 units for this order.